Featuring an impeccable trio in Britt Lauer, Jamie Lee Curtis, and Ray Seahorn, new psychological thriller Cinder premiered at South by Southwest, and we talked with some of the film's biggest stars.
Tell me what it was like getting to compose the music for this very special film.
I think it was a big exploration. So we tried a lot of different styles and genres. And so the movie is about somebody getting a lot of crazy packages. And a lot of the score was made with cardboard boxes. So we definitely got in there, made a lot of weird sounds. I think it's unexpected in the genre, like across the board in acting. And then I think the music will surprise people because it's unconventional, which is fun, you know?
I love that. In what ways would you say that like music or sound really impacts the overall product of a film?
Yeah, I think there's like that famous video of like a scene from Jaws with no music, and then they put the music on, and it's just it just completely changes the tone of a film. It modifies an actor's performances. It's like a heartbeat. It's like a tonal heart of a film. So I think that it sets a stage and audience expectations, so it can really take a film from one side of a genre to another. So that is always the challenge and the joy of it.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.